Yo, guys, I'm really not, you know, in a good mood this morning because, yeah, yesterday I encountered an incident whereby my car got hit by another dude, bro, from behind. He hit my backlight, and then, but fortunately for me, it was only the cover that broke. I wasn't able to get his number plate because immediately he actually hit me. He just moved straight to the next lane and then sped off. And the place was crowded with a lot of cars, moving. And in my lane, I had a lot of cars behind me, so I just couldn't. Before I could say jack, the guy just drove off. I couldn't get the number plate. I called my insurance company. First thing, they asked of the number. I couldn't provide it, so that was a mess for me. Even though they were still going to, there's a way they could help, but it's going to take a long process, and some way, somehow, it's going to eat into my pocket. So yeah, I just have to take care of it. It is what it is. But the bulb is working. It was only the cover that was broken. This morning, I just need to, get my morning routine done. Step out there and then drove to any of the shops. See if I can get the part over there. I'm just hoping, really contemplating whether if I could get only the cover or maybe the set. I don't know yet. I'm just hoping, they could help me with the cover only. If I'm supposed to buy the whole set, that'll be quite expensive, But whichever way, I still have to do it. So it is what it is. Shit happen. You just have to, find a way and then move on. Yesterday, it snowed quite heavily, it snowed quite heavily. And I came to get my winter shoes. I already have some upstairs, like in my room, though, in my apartment. But then I came to get, there's one here. Check it out. I'm actually in my storage space right now. Yeah, I need to get the whole set. Then I have to break the bank. So yeah, that's what happened. It is what it is. Shit happened. Life happened. So sometimes you just have to, lesson, pick up the pieces, and then you move on. Let's get this over with. I bet some of you might be thinking, that's too much onion. I know. I'm a big fan of it. Come on, no, don't come for me. I'm a big fan of onion, of course. Yeah, bro. You're finally done with the oats and now about to fry my egg. And then, try to fry some sausage as well, I guess, yeah. Definitely I'm going to add sausage. So, yeah, let's get it. The oats are already ready, Super. Let's get away to the egg. Check it out. Hey, yeah, I know. Yo, check me out. I got this, bro. I've been whipping it right. I got this for real. Don't call me Rex for nothing. Chef Rex. You don't call me Chef Rex for nothing. I got my food looking clean. So I'm about to take my breakfast. And then once I'm done with the breakfast, I dip. Let's get it.
And I let it burn, I'm in a solitude. And look up, girl, she sending me nude. I know reply, I know we say I'm rude. Every time, always on the move. Every time, I got to recoup. Been on my ground.
She just talk a lot, so we gonna give it the ass for it.
She said all the anger, she don't deserve it, gangsta. Popping percolators, ain't no paper circulating. I lost my brother, then I turned to Satan. Grand thing, it's my turn to yank it. You gotta earn your ranking.
Game 5.
Whoa.
So we got
Lamar and Nasser.
y'all dominated so far. You know what I mean? Y'all think y'all can pull off the sweep?
Bro, this is the first time I'm about to watch this. Lamar and Nasser.
How we playing, and we gonna do what we do.
If you're a fan of,
Undefeated for a little
if you're a fan of all the dribbles, if you're following these guys,
chemistry we have.
bro, you can tell.
Together, so
Strong team, bro.
personal
These guys,
vendettas or any of that, you know what I'm saying? We gonna play the way.
I'm definitely gonna enjoy this.
That's how I know, bro. Nah, Zay.
This, you know, as much as we're talking about tomorrow or not, this game really does come down to Zay.
Zay showed off his
If he's hitting those, like, it's a completely... You can drop shit. You can drop it.
I told you he's gonna take advantage of this situation.
It's like, oh, this might be the
I'm sort of caught up in the game, bro.
one, and then he can drop 30 in a row like we just saw. We've been saying all weekend.
Oh, that was a block. That was a block.
Okay, that's one going. Okay.
All right, it's time to simmer down, everybody.
Okay.
We say simmer down.
So, bro, shit. Bro, come on, take a look, bro. Got frozen. Frozen, man. Shit. Oh my days. Check this out. This is a life of living. So yeah, I'm about to, move to the shop. I think it's Motonet, yeah. We call it, yeah. The shop name is Motonet. I'm about to move to Motonet right now and then find out if they can get my car fixed. Cause I don't need to take a look. Yeah, it got hit. But before, bro, I need to take care of this ice, bro. The car is frozen, so I have to take care of it. Need to on the engine to hit. I had to, brush all this ice off the screen so I can have a clear vision driving. The life of living, bro.
Just because we are next to each other.
Yeah.
Is there just one?
Yeah, just one. I think, but when you open it, it's kind of like a double. It has so
I
one
think
for
this
me.
is for you.
Yeah, this for me and this is for you.
Maybe you put the core,
Exactly.
there.
But then you need to set it up, which I don't know how it goes because where I used to stay, I was having the old one.
Yeah.
This other ones, the white one.
Okay,
Yeah.
I think I go to the landlord tomorrow because I'm
Okay.
not sure because I'm not very good at this.
Yeah, myself.
Yeah,
Myself.
but I know we put the cord here.
Yeah, you put the cable over here,
The cable.
and then you have to
cord.
set it like how the time you need to hit.
But it doesn't happen. Or
I think
is
it's like-
it on, like.
Yeah, it's on. I feel like it's like a switch. Okay, you see, you have the time over there
Yeah.
already. But how to set it?
Yeah,
the particular
that's-
time. That's the problem.
That's the problem I would
Yeah.
really like to know because this is like in the morning.
Yeah.
Should be like
Yeah,
really quick,
exactly. Like 2 hours before you set off.
Yeah. They speak English.
Yeah, they do.
Okay,
do.
yeah. Yeah.
You don't speak Finnish?
Mä oon suomalainen.
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 Hyvä, hyvä.
Minä olen ihan suomalainen.
Joo, nyt mä opiskelin, ei
Mä olen
puhu
itse
tosi
asiassa-
hyvin.
Opetan suomea. I teach Finnish
Oh,
for foreigners. I like online. So welcome. Yeah. So,
This is a good meet.
Girl, got a pussy tighter, like the lyric of the song, so close me Laila. Big fake booty rider, surf it, bitch, fix it. Bang, bang, bang. Girl, your body super tight, bang, bang. Come and sit in on my face, if I bang, bang, bang. For like body super bang bang bang. Got me sitting on my face, super bang bang bang. For like Jesus Christ on the back.
I went put England, is saying okay.
Yeah, English is okay.
Okay, so yeah.
We have
Order.
to order it, yeah. So
Okay.
it will take a couple of days to get it here.
Couple of days. Holy. I'm done. I thought so yeah. The price I've been given and it's crazy. I think I need to buy the whole set. It comes with the whole set, so I have to get the whole set. Okie dokie.
Yeah. Gotta see how it is though. So, yeah. 2023, I thought my life would make a difference. But lately I've been feeling God is just a superstition. But lately I've been feeling like my passion's even missing. But lately I've been feeling like the world is just a fiction. Nigga had a dream, nigga had a co-ambition. But my talent turned into a guess and never my decision. I just roll up and then I keep up with my mission. If I never do it, then
Hey, so, bro, you have the snow falling right now, yo. It's red in snow. Hey, beautiful thing. I'm not not really a fan of winter, but then I enjoy this. When it starts melting up, it becomes very cold. That's when I don't like it at all. But yeah, winter came early. Woo! Alright, so we draw the curtains for this one today. So we meet again in my next video. Yo, stay real, stay put. Let love lead, and above all, love is love.